Hey there, guys. It's Dean O'Dell, and I've got another update here for you. Just showing you how quickly things are changing in the market. We still have some of the same problems we have last time we talked, but let's take a look here. This is a graphical representation of Orange County, and you can see how the homes here are only at 4,516 right now versus last April at 7,076. So this kind of shows you the blue line is new listings. You can see how those have dove, and pendings have dove as well, but you would expect that when there isn't as many homes to choose from, right? So you can see how much the inventory is down year over year. And what's really interesting to look at are these stats right here, because these are the stats that haven't been published yet for the first 27 days of May. We'll get these stats probably in about 2 weeks. You'll start hearing about stats for May. So this is a peak of those. And you've got inventory down almost 40%, new listings down about 36%, solds down 56%, and pendings down 48%. So pendings are what's going into escrow. So you could see though how much that's up over the previous 30 days. The pendings are actually up 85%. So that's how slow things were. New listings are up 60%, which is great. And overall inventory is up 5.9%. This is just 30-day numbers, from the previous. These are this year versus last year. So you can kind of see how that all compares. And that is for the county. And then what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to show you the chart here of the area that we tend to do about half of our business in, which is the Tustin areas, North Tustin, and Tustin Ranch. And you will see when you look at those, the stats, 143 listings now versus 237 last year, 77 new listings this month versus 121. You can see the percentages, these are down. How many homes have sold versus last year? And then your pendings, right? What's gone into escrow, 63 versus 121. So, but again, look at the pendings, how much they've gone up. They've gone up 85% since last month and 60% more new listings. So that's good. Those stats are in alignment with the rest of the county. So that's kind of what's going on there. And you could still see we need more inventory. You can tell I'm working out of home because you can hear the dog barking in the background, right? So anyway, this is the challenges of COVID, right? Anyway, bottom line is it's still a good time to sell a home. Inventory is low. And if you look at the MLS system, what you'll see is in the Tustin area, for example, we had 13 new listings come on in the last 7 days. So that's about 2 listings a day in North Tustin areas. And then if you look at all the price changes that are starting to happen here, that's kind of interesting, right? People are starting to get their prices down to more realistic levels. And this is what's gone back on the market that was on hold probably for COVID. And active under contract, this is what's just gone under contract this week. And they're not reported as pending sales yet because they're still in their contingency period. But you can see there's been, about 10 houses that have gone in this week. And then pendings, you can see how some of those went straight from active to pending. So there's 1 there, 2 there, 3 there. So that really means that 12 homes this week went into escrow. The other ones that have a U in front of them means they went through their contingency period first before they reported them as pending. So, and then you've got the closings, the solds, and then here we're starting to get some canceled and withdrawn. So there's 5 of those. Anyway, that is the summary. Bottom line is market needs good inventory. Buyers want to buy. So give us a call. And number one is to be safe. Obviously, selling your house will keep you safe. We keep the buyers and the sellers safe. But we know how to get this done even with COVID-19. Thanks. Bye-bye.
The O'Dell Group's been around for nearly 40 years. We are ranked number 9 in transactions closed, and we can give you the right advice to help you make good decisions. So please click on our subscribe button here and start watching the videos and let us know if there's anything we do to help you.